Hi there everyone, I hope you all are doing super well. So if you have seen my vlog, so you know that I have shifted to Bhubaneswar, Odisha in last year December. So yeah, the things are over here very good. I'm enjoying and I am loving the culture over here a lot. So talking about culture, I want to share a very important thing that is being celebrated right now over here when I'm talking to you. From 14th to 16th of June 2025, they are celebrating a festival known as Raja Puja. I have never heard about it. So there was everybody over here was telling me that the college will open near to Raja Puja or after Raja Puja. We were having semester breaks and all. I was like, okay, there's some kind of puja. So I asked my friend that what is it? So it's a festival where they celebrate menstrual cycle. Like just imagine in this era also in 2025 when other places people are not talking about periods, people are not talking about menstrual cycle, they are not concerned when girls are not allowed to get into the kitchen, they're not allowed to touch the pickles, they are not even allowed to worship or pray in the puja ghar. Over here we have a state, Odisha in India, which is celebrating it. They are celebrating it as a large level. A B for the 3 days. Over here everything is closed, even my fields are closed. So just imagine how important this is. What I'm saying that everything is closed doesn't mean that they're not working. I mean that this festival is so important for everyone, not only girls. This is not being celebrated just by girls. Only girls are not on holidays, but each and everyone is on holiday. Everyone has gone to their native places and celebrating it. So the girls are getting ready since morning. I'm seeing status, everybody is getting ready. There are swings that are decorated with flowers and all, and they're celebrating it. So I love this. Well, I just feel that I belong to this because I don't believe that if you will touch pickles they will go waste. Because मैंने किया है, I have touched pickles, I have eaten also pickles during my periods. It did not waste. That वो खराब नहीं हुआ, वो अभी भी सही है. I do worship during my periods. So whatever I have learned about this puja till now, I would love to share it with you. So what happens in this puja, why it is being celebrated, is that the Bhumi, one of the consorts of Lord Vishnu, experiences periods for the 3 days, and on the fourth day the Bhumi puja is done, which is like the bath of Bhumi. So it is totally similar to us. जैसे हमारे periods होते हैं तो first 3 days it is suggested कि हम head shower ना लें, क्योंकि हमारी जो इम्यूनिटी होती है दैट इज़ लो एट अ बिट. एंड एक और चीज़ है, मतलब दैट इज़ नॉट बिकॉज ऑफ सम कल्चर और समथिंग कि नहीं नहाना है, पूजा नहीं करना. नो, इट्स नॉट लाइक इट्स मेडिकल. ये मेडिकल है कि अगर आपकी इम्यूनिटी कम है, देयर इज़ अ हाई चांसेस ऑफ यू गेटिंग इल बिकॉज you're going through a lot, blood is coming out every minute from your body. That is something. एक बार ब्लड डोनेशन करने जाते हैं तो हालत पंचर हो जाती है. वी गेट सो मेनी थिंग्स टू ईट, बनाना, जूसेज एंड एवरीथिंग. सो दैट इज हैपनिंग टू अस एवरी मंथ फॉर 5 days. सो वो पहले 3 दिन इट इज़ सजेस्टेड नॉट टू टेक हेड शावर्स, ताकि ब्लड फ्लो प्रॉपर होते रहे, क्रैम्प्स कम आए एंड आप बीमार ना पड़े. सो सिमिलर थिंग इज हैपनिंग ओवर है. भूमि इज एक्सपीरियंसिंग द menstrual cycle. Girls are getting dressed over here, they are going for swings. The swings are decorated. I would love to upload one. मैं इधर लगा दूंगी कि पूरा इतने मज़े से सेलिब्रेट हो रहा है. एंड ऑन द फोर्थ डे भूमि पूजा होती है. इट्स लाइक द बाथ ऑफ द भूमि. सो it's so nice. Means I'm enjoying it, I'm literally loving it. So where in one part of our country people are not even talking about menstrual cycle till date, there is a state that is celebrating it in a large scale. Everybody is talking about it. Stop taking out pads and polythene bags and sneaking it out as if you're doing something wrong, ऐसे छुपा के लेके वॉशरूम जाना and all that. I agree कि ऐसे expose करके भी जाने के लिए, it's on the girl. If she wants to take it out, if she wants to talk about it, she can talk. If she doesn't want, it's okay. सो ये उसका चॉइस होना चाहिए, नॉट ऑफ द सोसाइटी कि नहीं ऐसे कैसे बात कर रही है, पापा से कैसे ऐसे बात कर ले रहे, भाई को कैसे पैड लाने बोल रही है. नो, वी आर डन विद दैट एरा. वी आर ऑल ओवर इट. वॉशरूम में क्लोजेट पे पैड्स रखे होते हैं बिकॉज यू नेवर नो व्हेन यू आर हैविंग योर पीरियड्स. मीन्स ऑफकोर्स यू नो, बट द थिंग इज कि एट द मिडल ऑफ द नाइट. सो इट शुड बी वेरी कॉमन नाउ. एटलीस्ट नाउ वी आर इन 2025. ये हमेशा कॉमन होना चाहिए, बट नाउ तो प्लीज़ डू इट यार. So try to feel it, experience it. I have always loved this part. जब फर्स्ट टाइम, आई स्टिल रिमेंबर, जब फर्स्ट टाइम मुझे पीरियड्स आया था, आई हैड वन क्वेश्चन टू माई मदर दैट वाई आर वी हैविंग दिस एंड वाई नॉट बॉयज़. लड़कों को पीरियड्स क्यों नहीं आता है, हमें क्यों आता है? सो या आई हैड दैट क्वेश्चन एंड वेरी सिंपल आंसर, मम्मा का बहुत सिंपल आंसर था, बिकॉज वी गिव बर्थ टू किड्स, we are gifted with that thing, so that's why this happens, and it is all a process. And I swear on God, after this statement, I have never cried that why I'm having periods. Yes, I might have cried because of pain and cramps at times, but I have not said this thing that why I am having periods, because I'm proud of it. I own it, and I am happy that I was chosen as a girl, to be born as a girl, and to have this, that we can bear this much of pain. I'm happy to take that part. So yeah, please celebrate it. It's a beautiful thing, and it is a great experience. I agree, those who are facing lots of cramps and all, they suffer, but at the same time, it's a very beautiful thing. In my point of view, I love it. So happy Raja Puja to all. उड़ीसा वालों को भी, एंड टू द वर्ल्ड हैप्पी रजा पूजा.